Hello guys, welcome back to the Explodey FPS YouTube channel. I know a lot of people are facing issue with command prompt has been disabled by your administrator error. This quick guide show you easy solution to regain access to CMD on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it step by step. So the step number 1 through the registry editor. What we are going to do here, click on the Windows search icon and then search for Registry Editor and then open it. A pop-up will appear, just click on yes. And once you open this simply, you will see interface look like this. Now, you need to paste here the destination, edge key, current user, then software, then policies, and then Microsoft. And then Windows right, hit enter. Now, once you hit enter, you will be here just right. Click on the Windows, and then you need to create a new key name it system. And then on the right side in the system, you need to create a new DORD. 32-bit value, and this time you need to name it Enable CMD, and then double tab on it, and then put here value 0, and then click on OK. Now close it, restart your PC. This will solve your problem. Now the next step? If this method failed again, click on the Windows search icon. This time you need to type here, the GP group policy edit group policy. Once you are here, click on the user, and then on the right side you will see administrative templates and then system. And now you need to find here the prevent access to the command prompt. Now by default, mostly not configured, this option will fix the issue, but in case if it's not working, then set here the disable, and then hit apply, and OK. And after this, just restart your PC, and your problem should be fixed. Now the last method that also helpful for you, create a new administrator account. Now for the administrator account, click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings. And once you are here, you need to click on the account on the right side, and then you need to find here the option called Other Users, and then click on the Add Account. Now this is for Windows 11, but in case if you are using Windows 10, then again, click on the Windows icon. Search for Control Panel, and then open it. Now click on the User Accounts, and then you need to again click on the User Accounts. Now here you will see Manage Another Account, right? And then add a new user in PC settings. It will redirect you on this page. Now at this port, you need to choose here the email. If you know otherwise, just click here. I don't have this person sign in information. Now once you click on this, it will ask you get a new email or add a user without a Microsoft account. So we are going without any Microsoft account now who's going to use this PC. So you can type here any name like test or any name, and then make it secure. If you want, you can use password, otherwise just click on next and you will get here. The test local account currently, it's local account, so we need to change the permissions. So in the account options, change account type, from standard users to administrator, and then click on OK. Now, simply you need to log out from the current account and you need to log in on the second account that you just created. And your problem should be fixed 100%, and that's it. One of these solutions should get your command prompt working again if the error persists. Feel free to drop a comment, I will help you out further. Till then, just take care of yourself. Bye-bye.